Yeah.
You need to hold your pants back in. Hold it back in your pants. Come on. Bring it, baby. There you go. There you go. Come on now. Yeah. Come on, baby. There you go. You're running with you, baby. Come on now.
Can you get my phone?
Watch him now. Watch him now. Watch him now. You let you bring him in now. Come on now. Yeah. Like that. Yeah, you gotta have some ass on you for that pole.
Put you in the water, man. You go over that railing.
He ran through something on the bottom. Look at that boil out there. Reel down, reel. There's the swivel, the leader. Leader, reel down, reel. There he is. Jeez. Don't reel anymore. Ooh. There it is. You ready to hold on? He's gonna kick. You guys see that? Ooh. Dude, that's O'Gorman with ramp monsters in your face every day, all day long. Look at that fish.
You guys just come out.
Hold the line tight like that. Look at that fish. Let's see. Hold him tight, get his head up. Everybody do it.
Whoa.
Surround the tip. Yeah,
Come on, behind me. It's alright.
Yep.
Come here. That's a Goliath rodeo down here. Alright, so we're going to take the hook out and let him go.
Here, hold her out, I guess.
His mouth is so bony. That motherfucker at least 1,000 pounds. I think she needs 400. Yeah. Wow. That's fucking cool.
There he goes.
What is it?